Log into People System and from the drop-down, select the Rota module. When in the Rota homepage, select Create New Rota from the quick links on the left. The location will be entered automatically, the exception being when access allows. Each site has a start day. To create a rota, it must start on this day of the week. Use the calendar icon to select the correct day. If staff are working similar shifts to previous weeks, then there is an option to copy rotas. Tick the box and then select a week from the drop-down. Once all the details have been selected, click Save. At the top of the page will be the financial information. Click on Edit Revenue in the centre of the page to amend your forecast. Enter how much revenue you expect to take for each day and then click on Save. Remember, this is your net revenue. Now, in the financial information you will see the wage budget, which is calculated from the budgeted revenue and wage target, and underneath your available for wages, which is now calculated from your forecasted revenue and the wage target. You can now start scheduling your staff. Double click onto the employee line and the line will become blue with drop downs for each day. From the drop down, select the on shift code. Free type in the hours for the employee for each day they are working. Remember to use the 24-hour clock, and split shifts can be entered using the 4 boxes available. When you are finished, click on the tick at the end of the row to accept. Click on Calculate to sum the hours and add the employee's costs into the rota wage cost within the financial section. Once all employees are scheduled, you can see whether you are spending less in green or more in red than your available for wages each day with the total at the end. You can also look at the rota shift chart by clicking on the graph icon next to the day. This will show you a graphical view of your scheduling to see how many staff you have working for each hour of the day. Changes to the rota can be made here too, and then use the Save button in the bottom right hand corner. If you have access to more than one division, for example front of house and management, then you will need to schedule this as well. From the drop down, choose the other division. Schedule your staff in the same way, remembering the wage target could be different for this division. Once all your staff are scheduled and you are happy with the rota, click on the drop down at the top and change the status of the rota from new to ready for review if available. Click Save, and this will indicate to whoever approves your rota that you have finished scheduling and your rota can be reviewed.